Imagine a talented musician, fingers dancing effortlessly across the piano keys when alone. Their music flows with passion and precision, captivating anyone lucky enough to listen. Yet place this same musician on a stage, a spotlight illuminating their every move, and something changes. Their fingers tremble, the music falters, and the once confident artist shrinks under the weight of self-doubt. This, my friends, is self-esteem in action. It's not always about grand gestures or outward pronouncements. It's often in the quiet moments, the internal dialogues that shape our perceptions and actions. Our musician, brimming with talent, possesses a hidden vulnerability: low self-esteem. This insecurity, triggered by the vulnerability of performance, manifests as stage fright, hindering their ability to share their gift fully. This example highlights a crucial point. Self-esteem is not merely about feeling good about ourselves. It's about believing in our worthiness, our capacity to handle challenges, and our right to take up space in the world. When that belief is fragile, it impacts our lives in profound, often unseen ways. Low self-esteem is like an invisible wall, subtly but effectively limiting our experiences and potential. It whispers doubts in our ears, urging us to play it safe, avoid risks, and shrink back from opportunities. We might decline a promotion, fearing we aren't qualified, or avoid social gatherings, convinced we have nothing interesting to contribute. These choices, driven by self-doubt, create a self-fulfilling prophecy. By avoiding challenges, we deny ourselves opportunities for growth and success, further reinforcing the belief that we are not enough. We become trapped in a cycle of insecurity, our lives constricted by the invisible walls we've built around ourselves. Breaking free from this cycle requires recognizing these invisible walls for what they are: constructs of our own making, fueled by a lack of self-belief. It's about challenging the negative self-talk, daring to step outside our comfort zones and embracing the possibility of failure as a stepping stone to growth. The impact of low self-esteem reverberates through our daily lives, coloring our interactions and decisions. It might be the hesitancy to voice our opinions in a meeting, fearing judgment or dismissal, or the constant need for external validation, seeking approval from others to bolster our own sense of worth. It can manifest in our relationships, leading us to settle for less than we deserve or to sabotage healthy connections out of fear of rejection. We might overextend ourselves to please others, neglecting our own needs in the process, further diminishing our sense of self. These seemingly small actions paint a larger picture of how deeply ingrained low self-esteem can be. It's not just about feeling inadequate. It's about how that feeling shapes our behaviors, interactions, and ultimately, our experiences in the world. Left unchallenged, low self-esteem can cast a long shadow over our lives, impacting our well-being and potential. It can lead to chronic anxiety as we constantly second-guess ourselves and fear judgment. It can fuel depression as we internalize negative self-beliefs and lose sight of our own value. This chronic insecurity can impact our physical health as well. The constant stress of self-doubt can manifest in physical symptoms such as headaches, fatigue, and digestive issues. We might engage in unhealthy coping mechanisms like substance abuse or disordered eating, further harming our overall well-being. The long-term effects of low self-esteem underscore the importance of addressing this issue head-on. It's not about vanity or ego, it's about cultivating a healthy sense of self-worth that allows us to live full, meaningful lives.